Let's all go to the Cowboy Jack show. Hey, come on, let's go. Let's all go to the Cowboy Jack show.
Howdy, cowboys and cowgirls. It's me, Cowboy Jack. Today I have something really exciting. You know what? I went and got myself a new truck. Check it out. Wow, look at this thing. Now, I loved my old F-150, but I was just ready for a change. And to be honest, my old truck had gotten pretty old. So it was time for something new. Check out this beautiful new Chevy Silverado 1500 ZR2 I got. Wow, look at this thing. It's got big off-road tires. It's got these side rails and steps on it. They look a little bit rusty right now. I might need to talk to my friend over at Texas Truck Works about getting some new ones. But check this thing out. This truck is huge. It's got a 6.2 liter V8 gasoline engine. That is super cool. Wow, the grill. I just love this grill. It's got these red accents on it. Look at that. The tow hooks are red. That is super fun. Oh, back up a little bit. I want to show you guys something. When you unlock the doors, the headlights do something really cool. Look at that. It's got all kinds of lights going on. Wow. But let's keep looking around. And something else really cool. Watch this. Did you guys know that you can have automatic folding windows? I didn't even know that was a thing. Watch this. There they go. Wow, I'm gonna unlock it again so we can look inside. But look at this thing. It's got a truck bed on it. This truck bed is actually a little bit longer than my Chevy truck, my Ford truck bed I used to have. And it's got these big tires. Look at the inside. Wow, it's super cool. It's got some accent colors in here, a little bit of gray and black. It's got a big screen in there, all kinds of stuff. Oh, look up, what's that? Check it out, it even has a sunroof in a truck. I didn't even know they did that. This is the first time I've ever had a sunroof in a truck. And look at that, like I said, this is a Chevy Silverado 1500 ZR2. It even says it right there on this plate, right when you get in. How cool is that? You know, I only see one problem with this truck. Look at this. It is really, really nasty and dirty. This is my new truck. It's time I give it a bath. Do you guys want to do a car wash with me? I'm right over here by Blue Wave Car Wash in Magnolia, Texas, and they said we could bring it over and give it a wash. You guys got to help me though, is that okay? Come on, let's get in. Welcome to the inside of my truck. This is super exciting. I'm gonna crank the engine real quick. But what's the first thing we always do when we get in a vehicle? Make sure you're buckled into your safety seat or your car seat, or if you're the driver, make sure to buckle your seatbelt. All right, I'm all buckled in, and now I'm gonna push the button and start this engine. Whew. And look, the Chevy logo pops right up. How cool is that? All right, well, let's get going. Let's get to this car wash. Look, guys, there's the car wash entrance right here at Blue Wave Car Wash. This is gonna be so cool. I love this car wash because there's all kinds of really cool bells and whistles, lights and sounds. We're gonna take it all in together, okay? Let's get over here and see if my friends will let us get a car wash today. Oh, look, he's waving us on. Check that out. All right, let's get pulled up and see what's going on.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
They're pretty good. Can we get a ceramic shield loaded up here in lane 1 for our friend? See if we can get you in. Truck's looking nice, dude. I like it.
Thank you, I appreciate it. I just got it. It's super cool.
It's real nice. It's real nice. ZR2 and everything.
Yeah.
Package.
I tried to go all out. And
So you know how many horses it got?
more than I do.
More than I do. Sir, all right, we all should be all loaded up.
Awesome.
It comes out clean, get it looking all snazzy.
Thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Have a great rest of your day.
Let's go, guys. Looky here. All right, so I'm just following the arrows and we're gonna pull right in. Here we go. Look, and she's directing us on in. This is so cool. Look at all these cool lights. All right. Oh, Not in park. Not in reverse. Neutral. I put it in neutral, hands off the wheel, just like it says. She's spraying us down. That's so fun. Thank you. Oh, let me fold in my mirrors too. Look at this big thing. Wow. Look up there. This is so fun. And if you can see, I even have my rear view cameras going. You can see behind us. Look at the water come in. Look at all those colors. That is so fun. Now it's taking all that soap off, washing it up and making sure we're nice and clean. Oh, they gave us the ceramic shield. I think this might be the ceramic shield going on. Now we're coming up to the spot-free rinse. My favorite part. It looks like a rain shower right on you. Look at all those lights and colors. This is so cool. Now we're fixing to go through the wind tunnel. It's gonna get a little bit loud, guys. The wind tunnel is gonna get us all dried off. Oh, and look, they're doing tire shine now. A little loud in these wind tunnels. I'm just watching the sign, and whenever it tells me I'm good to go, that's when I'll put it in drive. And there we go. We are all set. All right, that was super fun. You fold the windows back out, and now we can come over here to the detailing station. I'm gonna find us a good spot where we can get in there and vacuum and clean the inside of this thing, because Cowboy Caden and Cowgirl Addison have been making an absolute mess in my new truck, and now I've got to clean it up. All right, cowboys and cowgirls, now we're done with going through the car wash, and now we got to dry this thing all the way. Those wind tunnels work really well to take most of the water off, but you'll still have spots here and there and a few little things. Check it out, we got service with a smile here. You're helping me out? Thank you for helping me, I appreciate that.
Of course.
Wow, this is so fun. Look at that. Now I drove all the way out to West Texas, and I caught a lot of bugs on the way. I might need to do a deep dive onto this, but I'm just trying to wipe it down, get it all looking pretty. Wow. And they have all these rags you can use. They have all the supplies you need. It's so cool. Look at that. Do I have something on my hat? You guys see something? Oh, he flew off. I did have a ladybug on my hat. Wait a second. Are y'all laughing at my hair? Let me put my hat back on. Whew. All right, let's get back to drying. Looky there. Now, the other day I drove down to Freeport, Texas, down by Clute and Angleton and all that. I love it down there. But there is a ton of love bugs out right now. And I hit a lot of them with my truck, so I'm super glad I'm cleaning it up today. Look at this. Oh, y'all didn't even get to see my tailgate yet. Looky there. It says Chevrolet ZR2 right there on it. This thing is so cool. it's looking much better already. Look at that. Like I told you, I bought this thing. It's new to me. It's got a few miles on it. These old side steps here, I need to replace those. I'm gonna have to talk to my buddy. It's a good thing I've got a good friend named Colt Stevens, who you may know as the driver for Monster Jam. He's got a truck shop right over here called Texas Truck Works. We're gonna have to go see him and get some new steps for my truck. Whew. Guys, we're looking pretty good, aren't we? I'd say the outside is just about done. But there's another very important step. We got to take care of the inside. Let's go look at all the different tools they have. Come on, guys. Wow. Now this may just look like a regular blue hose to you. Like, what's going on here? When I take this off here, it's going to be kind of loud. Ah, look at that. This is actually, whoa, it's very strong. Very strong. This is a vacuum to vacuum out the inside. That is super fun. Come over here so you can see. All right, now I'm gonna use, I was trying to cover it up so it wouldn't be so loud for you guys, but I'm gonna vacuum out the seats, vacuum out the floorboard, get all this grit and grime out of here. Now this is where Cowboy Caden sits, and look, we're always playing Little League Baseball, so he's got a lot of dirt and stuff. Well, I found Addison's favorite slipper, that's funny. Now, just like I vacuumed the other seat, Cowboy Caden loves to snack in my car. We really shouldn't snack in our parents' cars. Let me get all those crumbs out of here. Of course, we have puppy dog hair because, well, we have 6 dogs. He was eating another snack and left a Pokemon card in here. My goodness, look at that. That thing is all bent up. He's not taking good care of his Pokemons. Anyhow, I'll see you guys on the other side. Whoop, Addison's shoe. All right. Now, like I said, I just got back from West Texas and it's real dusty and dirty there. I was out having a little bit of fun on this ranch. Look at my floorboard. I am all covered up in dirt. I gotta get that out of here. That looks a lot better, doesn't it? Let me get the seat. Onward we go. Woo, Cowgirl Addison's side. She's always got her bows. Cowgirl Addison loves wearing a big old bow in her hair. Now, I owe Cowgirl Addison a compliment because her side was much cleaner than Cowboy Caden's. She's taking care of business. It's always great to be clean and pick up after yourself. The only thing Addison has is just a bow in here, and I can put that inside for her. But if you ever do eat a snack or anything in your parents' car, you always want to pick up your trash and make sure you leave it clean. It's tough enough being a parent. We got to have a little bit of help, right? Now, When I say they have all the tools for you here, they really do. Right here at Blue Wave Car Wash, this is an air hose. So I can blow all the hair and dust and everything off of everything. Hear that? It's really cool. Wow, we're gonna use this, but you need to be very careful. You never point something like this at your eyes or anything, because if a particle of dust got pushed into your eye at that speed, it could cause some real damage. So we're gonna focus on spraying off my dashboard here. That feels pretty clean. Let me go put the air gun back up. Now, since they supply all these rags for us here, I like to just wipe everything down, make sure it's nice and clean. Now, there's a lot of different chemicals and cleaners you can use. I'm not crazy about all those, so I just usually use just a rag. I like to wipe my screen down, get that all clean of my fingerprints. Looks like I found a piece of glitter up here. I bet that's from Cowgirl Addison's tumbling outfit. Windshield, everything. Look at that. And now I can say, I'm gonna be riding in style. Does it look good? I think we did a good job. Thank you guys for helping me out. Wow guys, look at it. My brand new Chevy Silverado 1500 ZR2 is all cleaned up, all spick and span. Right here, thanks to my friends at Blue Wave Car Wash. This was so fun, and I appreciate y'all's help. They've got state-of-the-art equipment, some of the best car washes around, and they've got them everywhere, so check them out. Boy, look at this thing. I'm so glad you guys got to see my new truck. This was so fun. All right, guys, well, thank you for coming on this adventure with me. I had so much fun. Thank you to all my friends at Blue Wave Car Wash. This is my buddy Luke, and he promised me he would help me with the yeehaw. So until next time we see you, 1, 2, 3. Yeehaw!